All right, welcome back to LearnWire. We're going to be looking at Squirrely SEO, which just came back right in time for Sumo Day. They will be available for the next couple days. This is your chance to get Squirrely for 10% off. And then if you're a Plus member, you also get an additional 10% off of your purchase. So this is the only time. There's only Black Friday and Sumo Day. These two events are the only events that you can get up to 20% off of software deals that are on AppSumo. And once you go over to AppSumo, if you go click on Shop Sumo Day, this is where you're going to see all the applications that made their way back for this year's AppSumo Day event. And if you missed my video yesterday, want to make sure you go and watch it. I selected Maekersuite to do a updated, revisited review on it. It is a YouTube research tool, and it is an in-depth research tool that you'll be able to go out there and do a bunch of research and find the right topics to create YouTube videos for your agency, your clients, your own YouTube channels as well. So you'll want to go and check out Maekersuite as well. But today we're going to be looking at Squirrely because I did purchase this probably the last time they were on, maybe it was a year ago. And this is an SEO, rank up your WordPress site and data-driven SEO goals from an AI consultant. So it uses AI, but it is going to be a Yoast and a Rank Math and an Ahrefs type of tool. So we're going to go and take a look at it. There is a cloud version that you can go and do keyword research, check on your rankings from your website and so forth. But then there's also a section of it that you can install a plugin onto your website. We're going to be taking a little bit of a look at both of them. And so we're going to go down and just look at the pricing right now. And I did confirm and went and looked at my account. And this single plan for $79, you get 5 websites. And I bought this a year ago and it was the same plan, same pricing. They didn't change the pricing. They didn't change anything. So that's really cool. The pricing is the same as it was the last time they were on. You can go to the double plan at $158 and you get 10 sites, or once you step into code 3, so 3 codes, you're going to get unlimited websites for $237. Now, pay attention. This is the biggest one that I think changes the most, which is right here. Obviously, the focus pages per account and the focus pages per site and the amount of keywords. As you step up in codes, all the way up to codes of 10, or if you stack 10 codes, you get unlimited sites on even the 3rd tier. But your focus pages per account, your 80 focus pages per site, 1,600 keyword searches per month, and so forth. So you just get a much more limit on everything once you stack up. And that's $790. You're probably going to be an agency or a professional SEO company in order for the need to pick up the largest account there. Okay. So let's go and take a look. Basically, when you're inside of the tool right over here, you're going to log into the cloud. And this is what you would call the cloud of Squirrely. You're going to come over here. You'll be able to set up a website. This is an old website, auto detailing report. So I'm not even using this one anymore. Then we have a LearnWire. I just added this one just now. Now, what you would do is you could go and you could check stats. It hasn't pulled in any stats in right now because I just pulled this in. But you would want to go in and connect your Search Console to the site and Google Analytics and Search Console and so forth. I'm going to go ahead and go do that real quick and I'll be right back. And this is what it's going to look like when you connect your tools, your analytics. You're going to I leave this blank right here. And then the Search Console, it's going to show that website, but I do need to get the other site connected right over here. Now, if I want to add some keywords to track, let me show you how to use that real quick. So if I come over here and we want to track Wonder AI review, then I would just go to my site, highlight that, and then we would come over here. And this is for if you're really wanting to specifically, without using the tool, to do the keyword research, you would actually need to come in here to keyword research, and then we would actually paste this in and we would say next. It's going to go out there and find some keywords. I'm just going to say do research and click 20. Now, if there's an easier way to do this, then I haven't found it. You have to find the keywords and then add them to a briefcase first. When you go into the rankings section, I'm not seeing a way that we can just add keywords. I wish that they would add that. But we have modest ranking chance. But what's super cool is that I already am ranking number 4 for this, which is super, super cool. You'll want to stay subscribed because I'm going to be doing an updated review on the software that I used to rank this keyword number 4. So super cool stuff. So we have this. You're going to go over to the 3 dots over here and we're going to say add to briefcase. So we just added this keyword to the briefcase. Now we can go back over to home. And then what we can do is go to Google's rankings over here. Remember, we're still on the cloud, okay, with Squirrely. Think of this as your Ahrefs, your SEMrush, and your SE ranking type tool. Now I'm going to add keywords in briefcase right over here. We have Wonder AI. So I'm going to go ahead and select this, and I'm going to go ahead and say send to rank checker. I would love to see them make this process right here easier. I think that we should be able to come into the Google rankings right here and be able to just add keywords from here. And that's how I like to use it. But you can see we just now got Wonder AI review, and it's going to be looking for that for us. It's going to take some time for it to find if we are ranking for that. Maybe we'll come back at the end of the review and see, but it's probably going to take some time. Maybe it checks once per day. I'm not sure, but you're going to want to load this up with what you want to see. But again, I would love to see an easier way to add. And this right here, I tried this, but that doesn't work. You just search. It's just searching this page for keywords, but it's not allowing us to add keywords. And they definitely need to add that. Okay, so I'm going to come back over here to home and just to show you. So you can come over here and you can do an SEO audit as well. And you can add a new page for an audit to get started. So let's just say we go like that. We add the page, and let's just say we want to do a specific page for fun. Let's just go and add this page real quick. We'll come back over here. We'll add this page, add to audit. So audit page is added. The audit may take a while to create. We'll go back to home and just look. There's a live assistant right over here. Optimize with Squirrely, live assistant. Use Squirrely to optimize the content for your post pages and so forth. So you can go product, article. We can click on article right here. We can add a new article, and this is where you can come in here and use the cloud. You'd paste your content in right over here, and then it's going to give you SEO scores and so forth on the right-hand side. So as you can see, it's a content optimizer. It's a keyword research tool. It's a SEO audit tool and so forth. So that's that part. Now, what you would do is if you want to connect with, if you want to download the plugin, then once you're inside of the Squirrely's website over here, when you log in, this is where you click right here. It'll download the plugin, and you're going to go and you're going to install the plugin. So you're going to go into your website, go to plugins, choose the file. You're going to go over to your downloads, and you're going to see Squirrely plugin, and you're going to open that one up, and we're going to open it and push install. And we're going to go get this installed real quick, and then we can see what it looks like while you're using it inside of your website. So activate plugin. You're going to be able to log in right over here, say I already have an account, and you're going to log in right here. And for whatever reason, it's not accepting my password. So I'm going to go and fix this real quick, and we'll be right back. Okay, so something you should be aware of is that when you put the plugin in, you're installed the plugin, and then you're trying to log in, you're going to go through this. And then I kept getting a for password not working error. And then I just sat here and I tried, and I tried to reset it. I didn't get the email sent over to me. And then it just dawned on me that I do have this actually installed right here. Look at how big this tool is. And then I just went over here and looked at all features, and then I'm logged in. That's something good to know, right? That you might run into an issue when you try to install the plugin, that you just need to you're going to get an error, but you probably are logged in. So we are logged in. This is what it looks like. You're going to go over here. I'm in all features. And this is where you can go into import features, assistance. You can go integration features right over here. Look at this Google SERP checker. This is where the tool really shines, installing it on a website. This is where you're going to get a ton of different options. And you can see it just goes crazy how many different things you can actually add to this. Turns into a massive like rank math type tool. Google Search competition, chances of ranking, connect to cloud. There's just all kinds of stuff you can do. Keyword features right over here. So this is the keyword research functions, and you have your links right over here, SEO links, inner links. You can click to activate your SEO links right here. It's just simple. You can deactivate or activate whatever you would like. Meta tag features right here, front end SEO snippet. Why don't we just go ahead and activate that as well? Fetch SEO snippet. You can automatically fetch the Squirrely snippet on Facebook. Bulk SEO snippets, just all kinds of good stuff. On-page SEO metas. Add all the required search engine metas like title meta, description, and all kinds of other good stuff right there. Social media features right over here. Open graph optimization, Twitter, Facebook pixel tracking, focus pages, all kinds of good stuff right over there as well. And that's just under the all features section. So you can go to your one-page setup right over here, no SEO configuration, SEO recommended, or SEO expert. So if you wanted to set up a page, you could just say SEO recommended right over here, and you can go through their tutorials on setting everything up for your website. And you can do it in different ways. If you're an SEO expert, you want more granular control, then you would just select that. SEO beginner, or if you just don't want to do this part at all, you don't have to do that part. You can just turn that off. So I'm going to go back over here and then we can keep going down. So there's keyword research. So right inside the tool, we can go and we can do keyword research inside the tool. And so some of these tools are going to be like when we went back over here to the cloud, what we were doing over here. But a lot of the features are also going to be specific to when you're actually logged in on the website. And so there's a bunch of different stuff. You can go into the briefcase as well. And see, I keep getting a wrong email password right over here. I have tried to reset it and it's not working. So that is something that is frustrating, but I am going to continue to just show you what you get inside the tool. You have bulk SEO set up right over here. So you have it brought in all of our pages right over here, and it's going to tell us if we have a meta for it or not, open graph, Twitter, visibility, and so forth. So this is where you could do bulk SEO on your website as well. You can look at posts, pages, status, and so forth. If we come over here and we click on the meta right here, then we could go in here and we could actually go and create a new title, a new description right over here, or meta keywords. We could add those as well. This is where you can go in and do rich snippets and all this other good stuff like visibility and so forth. So a lot of things that you can do inside this tool. It is an SEO power-packed tool that is, in my opinion, is not going to be for beginners or even medium area SEOs. This is definitely a pretty advanced SEO tool that you're going to put on your website. There's automation, there's web stories and so forth, automations that we can put in here as well. SEO configuration, there's an index now right over here. So you can actually put all your index, the URLs. Let's say you write three articles today, you can just put the URLs in right here and submit URLs for indexing. So that's cool. They have an indexing service. SEO configuration right over here, build sitemaps for pages, posts, etc., etc. So it has all of the things that you would be looking for. So you have your focus pages, and of course I have to be logged in to be able to do the focus pages right there. And you have your inner links as well. So you'd have your inner links. You can add an inner link right over here, and then you can suggest inner links as well. So you can actually manage your internal linking and so forth inside of here as well. Then there's SEO audit, Google rankings in here as well. As you can see, you've got the full enchilada. This would be way too much. You guys know my in-depth reviews. Even if I clicked on each one of these and showed you everything that you can do with a tool, this would end up being an hour-long review. I think you can see all the different things that you can do in here. This tool is definitely like a rank math. That's probably the only other one that I would compare this to, because rank math is pretty advanced, has a lot of features too, but I would probably go as far to say that Squirrely is even more advanced. And if you want to really dig into the weeds and get really granular on everything SEO on your website, and then also be able to do keyword research and also connect to your Google Analytics and your Google Search Console and be able to track rankings, this thing has everything for you. This is the tool to get. I would go pick it up right over here. And even just if you come in at tier 1, you're gonna be able to put it on 5 websites for just $79. The link will be below. This is only available at the time of recording and getting this out for 2 days and 19 hours. You can go and get Squirrely. They haven't been on for months. I would say 6 months to a year it's been since they've been on. They only come back for events like this. So this is your time. If you want an SEO tool, go pick it up. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.